Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations, and today I am going to show you a genuine carving that I taught myself. We're going to turn this little block of wood, well, it's a cut off a log. I'm going to take it, carve it, and transform it into a pumpkin. So, if you're a Halloween freak like me, you'll want to see this. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got this piece of wood cleaned up. It's not sanded, but that's alright. Now, to mark it up for the carve, you will need two different colors. Sharpies, pens, whatever. Okay? So, first, we're gonna draw the face. I like using the traditional triangle eyes. And the cool thing about this carve is you don't need a ruler. You don't have to measure anything. So, then I'm gonna go straight across. Well, okay, so I got my face. Now, these lines are going to be the grooves in the pumpkin. And just top to bottom, all the way around. If they don't draw on straight, that's fine, because you can correct it when it's time to carve. Stop at the nose, then right there, and to the bottom. Alright, we got it drawn. Now, let's get carving. Alright, I got my Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr. So, I'm going to start with the mouth, and then we'll work the nose and the eyes in. Alright? Something else about carving, especially stuff like this, you don't have to stick to your original plan. Okay? See, I'm just gonna take and make these eyes big circles now, because I just don't feel like changing out my burr. So I'm gonna see if I can do this whole carve with this one burr. So let's do it. Alright, so now if your face doesn't turn out perfect, that's okay. Alright, don't freak out. You can always take more wood away, but personally, I kind of like the way that eye turned out compared to this one. Because I might paint that black and make it like a pirate eye patch. So, with this pumpkin carving, it doesn't matter. Do it however you want, get creative. And if any of you guys watching this video try it, my email's in the about section. Please, I'd love to see how yours turn out. Okay? So, but now we're gonna put in the grooves all the way around the pumpkin. All right? Okay. So, now we got all our grooves. Those are the lines going down the pumpkin. Anyone who's seen a real pumpkin knows what I'm talking about. Now, what I'm going to do is take one of my detail burrs and try to round this top off. Alright, so I'm going to switch burrs and then we'll get back to carving. Okay, so besides sanding, the carving part's done. So I sold a bunch of these last year. And they're a good 20-minute carve from start to finish. You can even split the log in half, and after you get the front carved, hollow it out and carve the eyes, carve the face all the way through. And if you can find a way to mount it to a wall, you got a homemade Halloween nightlight cover. Okay? I just love Halloween, so. And this is my design. I came up with it last year when I had a small piece of pine and was bored, and I just got a Sharpie, started drawing, and then started carving. And my first pumpkin was born. So I painted it and gave it to at the time, my 98-year-old grandmother as a birthday present. And since then, well, after that, it seemed like everybody wanted one. So, a good $10 gift carve or sales carve, okay? Even if it's a full pumpkin like this, I wouldn't go over $15. Not for this size, anyhow. So, give it a shot. If you like this, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff. Push those buttons if you like this video. And until next time, it's Nate's Carving Creations. Carve on.